Now to an amazing story of survival, and it's an Eyewitness News exclusive.
A Running Springs woman says it wasn't just luck that kept her alive when her car plunged off a mountain highway. She told Eyewitness News reporter Rob McMillan her story.
Take one look at what's left of Marky Smith's VW Bug, and you'll see why people say it's incredible she survived the crash, especially because the car plummeted off a mountain.
It's just a miracle. It's a miracle that I'm still here.
She was coming back from a movie late Saturday night, driving along the rim of the World Highway towards Running Springs. She says she only looked down for a second.
It can happen to anyone. You know, I was driving at a safe speed, and I was, all it takes is that.
This was where Smith veered off the side of the road. When her tires came in contact with these cinders, she lost control. She swerved towards the center of Highway 18 and then overcorrected. That's when she went down the hill here off the side, the car flipping over and over 550 feet to the bottom.
My initial thought was, is my head okay? I was afraid that I was bleeding from the head. And it wasn't. It's just my nose that was bleeding.
Bloody and battered, she crawled all the way back up the steep and treacherous mountainside to try to get help. It was below freezing, and she had lost her shoes. But she made it almost 600 feet back up.
A couple cars didn't stop. I was waving my arms, and I'm sure it was a little bit scary for them if they did see me. I'm dirty and bloody, and the girl that stopped was just an angel. She was wonderful.
And today, she only has a few bruises.
She's extremely lucky. Yeah, the seatbelt saved her from the impact, from the numerous impacts. And then, but luckily, yeah, she was able to climb up and, flag down some help.
But in her mind, maybe it wasn't just luck. She says someone might have been watching over her. Perhaps her father, who passed away years ago. The night of the crash would have been his birthday.
I'd like to think so. It was my father that passed. It was his birthday on the 3rd, which is the night that it happened. So I'd like to think he was holding my head and saying I'd be okay.
In the San Bernardino Mountains, Rob McMillan, ABC 7 Eyewitness.